Today we're at Highland Elementary, home of the Hawks, and we're here to... All right, once again, we're at Highland Elementary, home of the Hawks. We've got some 4th and 5th grade students. We were talking a little bit about angles, right, and triangles. Okay, so you're going to need to remember that knowledge that you have in order to do these problems. So, the 3 of you will have these clues to work with, all right? You 2 guys ready? All right. So those are your clues. And each of these puzzles is different. So if you see somebody starting to make some shapes with theirs and you look, oh, maybe that's like ours, they're completely different puzzles, okay? And I don't even know which ones I gave each of you, so it's just a random draw right now, all right? So what I want you to do is, first of all, take off the paper clip and take a look at the different clues that you have for your puzzle. And you can just kind of lay them out in front of you so that you can see all of them at the same time. So you should have 6 for each of yours, okay? So let's take a look at one of your clues. Pick any one of your clues and go ahead and read it.
The figure has 2 triangles and 1 square. All the sides are either 1 or 2 sticks long, no broken sticks. Make the figure.
Okay, so you know that there's going to be 2 triangles and 1 square when you eventually make this whole thing. But all the other clues will kind of help you figure out where everything goes, all right? Go ahead and read one of your cards.
The figure is made up of 2 triangles that are not congruent.
So do you guys know what congruent means?
No.
Same shape and size. So if they're congruent, they have to be the same shape and the same size. So are yours congruent or not congruent?
Not congruent.
So that's something you're going to need to remember, all right? What about one of your clue cards?
The triangle and the square share a side.
So the triangle and the square share a side. So that, right, if we had a triangle and a square, could I go like this?
Yeah.
Because then the square and the triangle share a side, right? You said that you had 2 triangles that are not congruent, right? So I could have one like this and then I could have one like this, because they're not the same shape or size, are they?
No.
No. And what was the one you had? You have 2 triangles and 1 square. So yours could look something like that even, where you have 2 triangles and 1 square. So we don't know how it's going to look yet, right? So with your partner or partners, go ahead, take a look at all the clues. You have the sticks inside the bag. Go ahead and see if you can make that stick figure, all right? Go ahead.
Six of the sticks in the figure are
Is it 12?
neither. 6 of the sticks in the figure.
9, 10.
So you guys have a little something going. You have all 12 there?
Yes. One triangle has a perimeter of 7 sticks. Oh.
So let's count the sticks, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many sticks are in your figure?
11.
11?
12.
Well, we counted that,
Oh.
right? So here we have 3, right? And there's 4, and there's 4. So we have 11 sticks. So how many does your need?
12.
So here's that other one. So you need to figure out where that one goes.
Isn't there a square?
Maybe
Same side, but only one.
what we could do
With only one triangle.
make like
It's not as easy as it looks, is it? Well, keep working. There you go. You've got a pentagon. Very good. Do you need a pentagon in yours?
no segment figures
See the
shorter
picture
than
inside
2
of this
sticks.
one.
When it talks about the perimeter, what does that mean? You guys know what perimeter?
Outside.
Right, the outside.
The area is the inside.
Area is the inside. Perfect. There we go. And the 4th and 5th grade students working on angles, triangles, congruency, perimeter, all of those great things at Highland Elementary.